So how to and can you connect a PS5 to the Mac Studio display? Now the answer to this is yes, you can connect a PS5 to this, but the problem is if we just turn around my Mac Studio display here, what you will notice on the back is that there is only USB-C ports. So we've got two Thunderbolt 5 and two USB-C on the latest version, the 2026 version of the Mac Studio display. So there is the first problem that you will encounter when you are trying to connect a PS5 up to the Studio display here. So what you will need to do is you will need to essentially go ahead and get a third-party sort of connectivity here. And what you will need is you will need something like this. So as you can see, what I've got is it's sort of a connector, right? And it's got a HDMI here on the end, and then it's got a USB-C cable on the end right here. So this will connect into the back of the Studio display into one of the ports. And then all you need to do then is connect the PS5 by inputting the HDMI from the PS5 directly into this, and then it should go ahead and display your PS5 on the Mac Studio display screen. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can connect a PS5 to the Mac Studio display.